Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google passwords Autofill. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, my switcher is gray. That means that Autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!